Thank you guys for joining me today. My name is Shabs, and I decided to do something entirely different for this video. Actually take the time to decorate my room. You know, I'm rarely in my room. Ever since we moved here, the only time I were in here is when I wanted to just watch YouTube videos and pass out on this bed. Don't mind the mess. Because I am currently in the process of personalizing my room, you know? Because I really hadn't done that ever since I got here. All I did was have like a couple posters up, like this photo I got from a store. I forgot which store. I don't know, I haven't been to a store in so long, but I got this at last year's New York Auto Show. Got this 2 years ago at that auto show as well. Fun fact, this used to be this, like not the same car. Technically it is the same car, it's built on the same thing, but this used to be the big old poster. I put that right here, but over the years it's gotten damaged. Like I had to retape it numerous times over the occasions. Don't mind the notification. But I decided I was gonna scrap it, put it away in that drawer, but this was still usable, so I decided just to put that up instead. And now it looks better. And I am planning on adding more. I don't know how much more, but I still got a couple walls to use. Hopefully, eventually, this will look crazy to the point where I love it, but it just feels too messy to me. But the plan is to put up these sketches and do something with these. I'm not entirely sure what I want to do yet, but I just know it's gonna be great. And I cannot wait to see how it turns out. This video will probably be like a montage of me doing stuff. So, it should be a fun little thing to do, and by the end of it, I hope it turns out great. I know it probably will, but then I'll probably hate it and rearrange it over time, but until now, I cannot wait. It's gonna be great. Also, I forgot to mention, I will be trying to add more. I know I got more sketches, but here are these sketches I have found so far. These are, like I said earlier, cards that I drew in the past. All these here. I drew this, I think back in my sophomore year. I'm a junior, becoming a senior. I have some unused stuff. I'm not going to show you that because I don't like it, but I keep it for some strange reason. Also, what I plan to do with these, like, this is a big book. Like, if I were to tape this up, this will fall down in at least like 30 minutes. So I plan to cut these out as best as to my ability. And maybe, just maybe, it'll come out great. And I can plaster them somewhere in this room. But, what else? I might just like take all these pages out too, with the whole description and all that stuff. Maybe. I think it's a little over the top, but then again, it'd be nice to make it look like a freaking museum. Something interesting to look at when I'm bored in my room. But yeah, that's the plan. I don't know if I still want to pull up these Hondas. I might. You know, it's there. Hondas are cool. Somewhat. To some extent. I think they're quirky. These things, of course, it's just mainstream. But, yeah, Porsche is really going out with all the materials and stuff. I was going to go get another poster of whatever car they had for this year. But then the stupid virus, and then we already know the whole story. But if you don't know, the auto show got canceled this year. This year. It was going to be set in August, which I think was an okay idea. Then seeing how like the virus got worse and stuff, and like, God, I miss the auto show. I miss the outdoors. I mean, I can still go outdoors. It's not to any stores or anything, but. And I'm showing you my location. Let's get to work. All right, it's montage time. Throw the camera over here or something. Yeah, that's good. You see me? Good. Good work. This looks bad. This this angle was good. Let's try it. Okay, we got all these cut out. I have somewhat of a general idea of where I'm going to put all these. And it might be over there. I don't know if you can see that. That's another thing. There's a really good angle as is. I might have to adjust that now. If I am going to put it up there. But right now, I want to put these Honda posters somewhere. I'm not going to let you get what I mean, right? So, might put it there, or maybe there. Or there. That corner looks nifty. Okay, I think that corner looks best, and I think you guys can see it. And if not, I'm going to take that extra precaution to adjust the camera now. Okay. Okay. Yeah, you guys can see it now, right? Good. Let's get started. Also, this right here is that. That's good. I'll keep that. So you guys can see, it's like a little on the corner over here. I'll bring the camera closer so you guys get a better look. Okay, look at that. I like that a lot. Also, here's that Baby Yoda sketch. Someone drew that. I'm not worried about that. But we gotta put these up. But to where? Thinking maybe this wall. This wall needs a little something on just the blue paint. So I might just put it there. Alright, so the plan is now I do from the least amount of pictures to the most amount of pictures. And then like these had like 3 images in total, so I decided to do this first because here's how it's gonna go. The top is gonna have the most pictures, and then it's all gonna keep going down to the least amount of pictures. I think it's the best way to do it, other than just like plastering all over the walls. So we'll see how that turns out. this right here. It looks amazing. A little out of proportion for the last bit, but overall it looks pretty damn amazing. With this and this, I'm working on finding more sketches. I had to go check the attic for that. But I'm freaking sweaty as hell, man. The AC's not on. That's the AC. The fan's not on. I still have to tape everything together, make sure it's all firm. But once I finalize everything, it will look great. I will find more sketches before I end this video. Don't worry, you don't have to stick around for that bit. I'll just come back when everything's finalized, because my phone is burning hot and my hand hurts from all the hot heat coming from this damn phone. So I'll be back with the results, and I hope you guys love it. Hey, I'm back. And I'm back with more sketches. I got more of these cards here. Some old artwork that I've done in the past as well. These are all basically old. Done this, never finished it, but I still want to put it up. But have this. I printed this out in the library in my older high school before I transferred here to a new one. These are basically all I'd done in the past year before I moved here. Found them upstairs in my attic. I could find more, but it's hot as hell up there. I'm sweating like crazy. But these are all gonna be like this. I'm definitely gonna keep that. Also, put this up just not too long ago. Picture of me and my mom at the 2018 auto show and behind a Toyota 86. I could not fit in that car, no matter how far back I could push the seat. Looking at just the pedals, I never knew that. I couldn't fit in that car. If you've seen last year's auto show, I couldn't fit in the freaking Miata. Not surprised, I'm 6'4". I'd love to see Doug DeMuro fit in a Miata. Has he ever drove a Miata? Who knows? But yeah, I'm gonna flatten these out. Make sure they're flat enough to look presentable. I might have to do a bit of cutting and trimming. Make it even look more presentable and put them somewhere in this room. I want to keep this just like plain for that panel of wall. So I might put it under here, on that side there. Or maybe here. Still got these walls available. Oh wait, I still want to finish this. I want to add more sketches down here. And I also forgot to mention, I do have one currently being flattened. Don't mind the random equipment I have sitting around. Oh, it's flattened pretty well. But this is not the car, the other side. Just slip this out real quick. Boom. I like this one a lot. My only concern is that this is much longer paper than what I usually draw on. I like working with longer paper, but I don't know how it's going to translate well onto the wall. I might move this. I might have to move these. But that's going to be it for this video, because this has gone on for too long and I have to do a bunch of editing and stuff. I'm working with a new editor. Not like a person, like a new video editor. I'm not using Share Factory anymore. Not anymore. Like for this, like if I were to do like vlogs and stuff like this, you'd be using a different editor. So if you notice anything different, that's probably why. But that's where I'm going to end it. I'm going to be keeping you guys posted on my Instagram, ShabsYT. I will link it in the description below if I'm feeling up for it. But if I was feeling up to rearrange my entire room, I should be able to give you posted on the Instagram. I'll do a before and after, I don't know. I post memes on there mainly, but whenever I do feel up to the task, I do post pictures. Whenever I do post pictures on my story, but if I want to keep it on the main, I post it. And yeah, that's how my Instagram works for those who didn't want to know. But that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Shabs. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.